step-by-step guide to earn $300 a day with Google. In today's digital age, the possibilities for earning income online are endless, and one platform stands out as a true titan of opportunity: Google. Imagine waking up each morning to find your bank account $300 richer, all thanks to the power of Google. It might sound like a dream, but with the right strategy and determination, this dream can become your reality. Buckle up as we take you through an exciting step-by-step guide to unlocking a steady stream of $300 a day using the unparalleled potential of Google. The power of Google AdSense. At the heart of this adventure lies Google AdSense, an advertising program that allows website owners and content creators to monetize their online presence. This program enables you to display Google Ads on your website, and every time a visitor clicks on an ad, you earn a portion of the advertising revenue. Step number 1. Finding your niche. Success begins with finding a niche that aligns with your passion and expertise. Whether it's travel, cooking, technology, or personal finance, pick a niche that resonates with you. Remember, authenticity breeds trust, and trust is essential in the world of online content. Step number 2. Creating quality content. Content is king, and Google rewards quality. Craft engaging, informative, and valuable content that keeps your audience coming back for more. Whether you are writing articles, filming videos, or recording podcasts, ensure your content adds value to your chosen niche. Step number 3. Building your online platform. Set up a user-friendly website or blog using platforms like Workspace or Blogger. Make sure your website design is clean and easy to navigate. This is where your content will shine, attracting visitors and keeping them engaged. Step number 4. Applying for Google AdSense. Apply for Google AdSense once you have built a substantial library of high-quality content. Google reviews your application and, if approved, provides you with the code to integrate ads seamlessly into your website. Strategic ad placement is crucial. They should enhance, not overshadow, your content. Step number 5. Driving traffic. Promote your content across social media platforms, engage with your audience, and utilize search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to ensure your website ranks higher on Google's search results. The more traffic you drive, the higher the potential for ad clicks and revenue. In a world where remote income opportunities are more accessible than ever, capitalizing on Google's potential to earn $300 a day is both feasible and exciting. By harnessing the power of Google AdSense and combining it with your passion and dedication, your online endeavors can transform into a lucrative income stream. Remember, success in this journey requires patience and continuous effort. As your website gains traction, your income has the potential to grow even beyond the $300 benchmark. So, are you ready to turn your online presence into a money-making machine? With Google, the possibilities await. Dive in and unleash your financial potential today.